Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to file a dispute on PayPal. Let's get straight into it. The first step is of course to log into your PayPal account, which you can do on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. And then once you're logged in, just go to the resolution center. So in the top navigation bar, or it could be the bottom navigation bar depending on where you're signed in from, just choose the resolution center option. Next, you want to locate the transaction that you want to dispute in transaction history, and then click on the transaction to view its details. Now you have to choose the reason for the dispute. It could be item not received, or item not as described, or it could be unauthorized transaction, or any other dispute reason. So just provide additional details about the dispute, including any other relevant documentations that you may have. Next, you want to verify the dispute details are correct and accurate and all complete. And once that's done, just click submit to file the dispute. Now for the dispute resolution process, PayPal is going to review the dispute and may request additional information from you or the seller. Also, the seller will have the opportunity to respond to the dispute and to provide their side of the story. Now PayPal will make a decision on the dispute based on all the information that has been provided. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to file a dispute on PayPal. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.